Strategies allow you full control over how you want to create your rates. Creating a strategy is simple. From your Strategies tab, navigate over to the far right and click Add Strategy. You'll notice on the drop-down there's an option for Genie Strategy and Other Strategy. Let's take a look at Genie Strategy. Using our perfect pricing algorithm, Rategenie will decide what rates are most suitable for your rental. You'll add a base rate, a minimum rate, maximum rate, and a minimum night stay. When you're done, click Create. Moving on, let's take a look at Other Strategy. First, you'll start off by choosing a title. Then you'll want to choose from 5 different strategies. The first, Change with Historical Demand, stipulates that your nightly rate is based on similar rates in your area. For any fine-tune adjustments, you can add a rule below. The second is Change with Changing Occupancy, which is identical to dynamic rates in Tokit. Rates will only change depending on fluctuating occupancy percentages and be adjusted using the rules below. Next, we have Remain Constant Over Time. This strategy states that each night's rates will remain the same unless adjustments are made using the rules below. Up next, Custom Occupancy. With this strategy, the user has the option to define occupancy range, then adjust the rates up or down depending on their needs. And finally, Change based on Custom Feed. This strategy is useful when you want to define your own sets of rates for each day. You can easily upload those rates via CSV or have the option to use your own public feed URL. Next, let's take a look at creating a rule. Click New. Choose a type. You'll notice all the different rules to choose from. For this example, we'll choose Special Events Rule. Special Events Rules refers to social events within certain distance from your rental. Here, we'll set a distance of 10 kilometers. Choose the Impact, which refers how strongly you want to affect pricing. For this example, we'll choose Aggressive. And finally, you want to choose a category. You can actually choose multiple categories. When you're done, click Save. You can see here that your rule has been successfully created. One thing to be aware of is that the rate and minimum night fields in the strategy details are overridden by any value set in the rental rate settings. This also applies to price percentile on historical demand strategies. When you're certain that everything is okay, press Save to save the strategy. You can see here that your new strategy has been saved successfully. Now, let's take a look at adding your strategy to a rental. Click on your strategy, then move over to the Rentals tab. Click Add Rentals, choose your rental or rentals, then click Save. You can see here that your rentals have been added to the strategy. Then click Save once again. And that's it. Now you know about the different strategies. Thank you again for choosing Rategenie.